Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how you can do factory reset, erase all the data from your smartphone. I will tell you step by step how you can. So first of all, if you have input an SD card in your smartphone, so firstly you have to remove it safely in your smartphone until and unless it will delete or erase all the data from your SD card also. So first of all, remove that first. Then you have to write here factory reset, erase all data. So when you just tap on it, it will erase all your data including your Google account, system, app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, user data, everything. So first, if you have not do this, you have to just backup first. If you have done the Google backup, photos, videos and SD card, then you can erase your data. It will restart your smartphone and it's done. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.